Hello everyone to this quick tutorial for week 2, tutorial number 4, resources and activities. I'm going to start by showing you my 3 forums. I'm on my course, so I have a course support forum where basically participants can use to ask any questions or make any comments they may have in regards to the course. And it's very simple and straightforward. The other 2 types of forums are whole grading and rating. Now, if we go to the activities section, we can see the 3 required forums there. Support forum again for activities related purposes only, and activities for you, rating for a grade. In this case, you can see to the right that in order to complete it, they must make a post, receive a grade, and receive a passing grade. And in this activity, what they have to do is basically make a post to receive a grade and receive a passing grade. Please use this form to reflect individually on the activities available on this course. If we go back, clicking on the activities, then we also have an activities for us, whole group rating. And in this case, they must receive a grade and receive a pass grade. So if I click on it, then here I can still see the criteria. Please use this form to discuss as a group the activities available in this course. Now, as a group, I was thinking of an activity that I've used on other courses, online courses, which is called the question chain, where I ask a question and then individual participants need to reply to that question and then ask a different question for the next person to add an answer, and add their own question for the next person to add an answer, and so on. So it is a chain and it works really well. So this is work in progress, but it will appear there. We also have to add a quiz. So under week 1, which is Introduction to Classroom Contracts, I give some content, and here is the quiz. What is classroom management? In order to do it, they need to attempt it. So if we click on what is classroom management, here they find the content, and then they can click on preview the quiz. Once they click on the preview the quiz, they can see that there are 10 questions in this case, but there are as many questions as you want. They make a choice, then they go to the next page, and then they answer the question. Something important to mention here is that I use ChatGPT to create the questions, and then I only had to tweak 3 of them to make sure they were what I wanted. So don't take whatever AI gives you and then just run with it. And number 2, very, very useful, I asked ChatGPT to turn the quiz into a Moodle compatible format, and this was a .txt format. So the file, when I uploaded to the Moodle, I uploaded the whole quiz. I didn't have to type up each question and each possible answer. So this is, a time saver. If we go back, I'm going to go back using the left panel to my week 1 introduction. And so we've seen the quiz. Now we also have to add a choice and a sticky note. So if we go to the activities, you can see that I have a choice activity here, which is your favorite classroom contract. In order for them to complete it, they need to make a choice. And in this case, I added 5 different types of choices of contracts that we're looking at on this course. So they need to make a choice and then save it. As it is for demonstration purposes, I'm not saving it here. Now let's turn to the course overview. And here we have our the sticky note activity. I called it Our Favorites, and the idea is for them to complete it, they need to add 4 sticky notes, and you will see how and why. Now, this activity is about our favorites on the course. So my favorite online tool, my favorite classroom management activity, exit ticket, good behavior tip. And what they have to do is in order to complete the activity, they have to add 4 sticky notes. In order to add a sticky note, all they need to do is click on the plus sign, and my favorite tool, I'm going to say Consensus, which is a really good tool for academic writing and academic studies. And I can see who wrote it, what it is. If I like it, I can give it a heart. I can edit it or I can delete it. For demonstration purposes, I'm just going to delete it and then confirm that I want to delete it. And they repeat the process for all of them. And if we go back to the course overview, then that's it. Our activities with all the different activities and resources required for this week's tutorial. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.